here we go. Completing the square in less than 3 minutes. So here we are. Complete the square. Right, okay, yeah, fair enough. Right, let's do some real maths. Right, here we go. Start the clock. Right, so best way I could do this is by some examples. And whilst we're doing this, you might well think to yourself, well, why? Right, what have I just done? Why have I written a 4 down there? Well, look, what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to match this bit just here. And if I were to multiply this out, let's just think, just for a moment, if I multiplied that out, I would get x squared plus 8x plus 16. Okay, that's very similar to this bit. But if I take away 16, look, that's exactly the same as that. Now I can just tidy it up. And minus 16 plus 9 is minus 7. Right, okay, how does it get a little bit harder? Well, let's stick in some negatives in there, okay? Negatives always make life a little bit harder. Right, what do? Well, look, I get a half this number. Obviously, that's a little bit harder if we get an odd number there to start with. Right, now we're going to have to take away 25, because when I expand this, I could get an extra 25. So we just take that away. Take away 17. Well, hey, right, we're there. X minus 5 squared minus 42. Right, okay. Now you may well have the question, why are we doing this? Well, it's a really useful math skill. Maths is quite often about just changing the appearance of something. If we can just see it a different way, then it enables us to maybe solve something that we wouldn't be able to solve. This is quite useful for finding out vertex points of a quadratic curve, or the quadratic formula, but that's a different thing, okay? For the moment, we're just looking at the skill of doing this. Right, 2 at the front. Oh, that's awkward. Right, well, let's have a look. First job is to effectively kind of get rid of the 2 in a way, right? I'm not too bothered about the number at the end. Just park that over at the side and we'll deal with that at the finish. Okay, we've managed to get rid of that 2 for a second. So let's just focus on what's inside the bracket. So x, half that number, squared. Okay, take away the excess. So that'd be take away 16. 4 times 4 is 16. And then all of that gets multiplied by 2, plus 100. Right, there we go. Right, let's just tidy this up. So now I can multiply both these terms here by 2. Right, 2 times minus 16. Don't forget to multiply this bit by the 2. Okay, a lot of people make a mistake there. And what do we got? Let's just finish it off. And then we've got plus 68. Right, last one. Let's go. We're nearly there. Oh, we're going to run out of time. Right, take out minus 2 as a common factor. So x squared minus 4x. Just forget about the minus 50 for just a second. Right, focus on this bit. We've got x minus 2 squared, and then I'm going to have to take away 4. Remember, the whole lot's going to be multiplied by minus 2. Then we've got a minus 50 at the end. I'm running out of space on my page. So now multiply this out. Squared. Then we're going to have plus 8 minus 50. And then the last bit, just tidy up the last part here. Plus 8 minus 50 is minus 42. Right, we stopped there. How did we do? Oh, I failed. 14 seconds over.
If you enjoyed that video, please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I've been RMS Maths and I'll see you next time. Maths out.